Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Viewtron mobile app for iPhone and Android to connect to multiple DVR locations to view your security cameras live. I'll not only toggle back and forth between my home security camera system and the system that we have set up here in the office, but I'll also show you how you can set up a custom view consisting of the security cameras at both locations. So I'll take a couple cameras from my house and a couple cameras from the office and create a custom view. Here's the live security camera view of my home system in the mobile app. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first show you just how you could change the displays by clicking on that grid icon and then selecting a different layout. So there's the 4-camera grid view, and then I'm going to switch back to the 6-camera view. When you're in a multi-camera view, you can double tap on any of the cameras to go to the single camera view. And you'll notice when I go to the single camera view, the resolution switches to high def. So you can see it's in low def there for a second when it switches over, and then it switches to high def. So next I'm going to bring up the menu and click on the devices icon in the lower left. And I can click this drop down and switch from my home security camera system to the office system. And then I'll expand the screen again. And we also have 6 IP cameras installed at the office. And again, I'll double tap on a couple of them so you could see the full screen view in high resolution. And when I double tap again, it goes to the multi-camera view again. And we'll double tap on the office camera for the full screen view of that one. So next, I'm going to change the view to a 4-camera grid view. So here's 4 cameras at the office, and then I'm going to switch out 2 of these cameras for 2 cameras at my home. So I pull up the device menu again, and then I tap on the camera that I want to switch, and then I can hit the drop down and select my home security camera system. So actually, I'm switching the office camera first. So I'm just switching that camera 1 to the office view, and I'm going to switch this camera 2 of the office. No, sorry, I left the other one at the PTZ. Now I'm switching the cameras to my home system. So I'll tap on that lower camera and then select camera 2 at my house. And now I have 2 cameras displayed at the office on the left and 2 cameras displayed of my home system on the right. And while you're in this multi-system view, you can double tap on any of the cameras to view the full screen view just like we did before. And when I'm done, I can pull up the menu and pull up the devices again by tapping the icon in the lower left. And then I'll just switch back to my home security camera view. And there's the 6 cameras of my home system again. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I want to mention a couple things before we wrap up. The Viewtron mobile app for iPhone and Android, it can connect to Viewtron IP camera NVRs. That's what we were using in this video at my house at the office. It can also connect to Viewtron BNC DVRs that work with analog CCTV cameras and HD over coax cameras up to 4K resolution. Last, it can connect directly to Viewtron IP cameras even if you're not using an NVR, and it can connect to all 3 of those device types in the app simultaneously to create custom views. If you have questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out to me anytime via email. I can be reached directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to see additional videos of the Viewtron mobile app, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/app videos. Thank you for watching.